Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Yancy's Gardens. As you can see, I'm in a garden right now. Today I will be planting sweet potato leaves from the stems. So in my culture, we eat the sweet potato leaves. It is a special dish called potato greens. If you're Liberian, you know exactly what this is. But I also know that a lot of people eat the sweet potato leaves. But what I will be planting today isn't the actual potato, and I know a lot of you guys that eat the leaves of the sweet potatoes. You plant the potatoes or plant potato slips. But today I'm actually going to be planting the stem, or the sweet potato vine, if you want to call it that. Come with me as I do this.
One look and I breathe.
So this is what I will be planting. I got these from a family member that bought some potato greens from the store, and after she removed the greens, she gave me the stems, and I will be planting these. So as you can see, there are different nodes on this stem right here. I will be putting the nodes in the soil, and then it is going to root. So each of these nodes can pretty much root, and that's also where the greens will be coming from. So I could actually turn this one stem into 2 or 3 plants that will grow the leaves. But before I do that, this is the bed that I am going to plant my sweet potato leaves in. As you can see, I have stuff in here. I have broccoli and kale, and just some other brassicas in here, some sugar snap peas. It looks terrible. I planted these, I would say, early on in the year, and I did not think I needed to cover them. I mean, during the winter I didn't have a lot of pest issues, so I didn't cover them, not thinking that a lot of these caterpillars emerge in the spring, and boy did they emerge. They came and decimated each and every one of these brassicas. And I mean, my kale is pretty much gone. I decided that I am not going to try to fix the issue. I'm over it, and yeah, this is like a really big garden bed that I could use for bigger and better things. But yeah, so I learned my lesson, and next year when I plant these, I'm gonna cover them up. I'm just not in the mood to try to fix the issue. I prefer the sweet potato leaves over any of these anyway, because that's something that my family eat frequently. So yeah, I'm gonna amend this bed, remove the majority of these, and plant the sweet potato leaves. So come along. I'm just going to remove the entire plant, call it a day. I tried. I think I'm gonna leave these in here. I can't remember exactly what this is, but I know it's beneficial. Hey y'all, so as I am cleaning this bed, look at what I see here. These are the nasty things that's been eating all of my brassicas. And the last time I came, I picked so many of them off. It was so disgusting. So what I've decided to do is I'm gonna try to see if any of these will work out during the summer. I posted a video on TikTok and basically, you know, saying that I was going to remove all of these, and everybody was up in a roar and said, no, don't remove them. It's still amendable. It can still work. I'm going to take their advice and, you know, let this be a test, you know, for next year to see. So what I'm going to do is I will leave these and I'll continue to remove those nasty caterpillars. And I am going to plant the sweet potato leaves here, and I'm going to cover it and see what happens. So I'm about to remove all these nasty bugs. Hey, where did it go? Wow, and just like that, it probably saw me and slid to the back. But I will catch you, I promise. I'm gonna catch you. Oh, there it is. Caught ya. I'm going to remove this guy. Ew, there's two of them. Look, this one right here, and then this one right here. So I'm just gonna remove it. Ew. Look at these extremely tiny little nasty things that's been causing that much of a damage. Doesn't take a lot. Don't ever underestimate the size. Okay? It's about the impact. I created like a little solution filled with like vinegar and dish soap and cayenne pepper. This bottle, I've been using it to catch like those lantern flies that has emerged because they've been a lot on my grapes. So I use these to trap them in there because they hop, and so when you use the bottle, it's easy to get near it, and when it hops straight up in this bottle. So that's what I've been using to also add these caterpillars in there. If you guys have a better way of doing this, please let me know. Yep, there you go.
For the things that do show up, for the things that are seemingly possible. This season, you're going to have to do good and believe in God for the impossible thing.
Martha Lorraine's signature luxurious body butter is packed with all natural skin-loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Your new bestie.